Hello, all you in Google Classroom world.
Hey.
Mary Hope says hey.
Hey,
Here
everybody.
she is. She's working on her math while I am going to try to help you with your math. Now, the reason we're reviewing for this, well, it's supposed to be for reviewing for the standardized test, but I'm sure you've heard. Well, we take the standardized test, and I'm so bummed because this would have been a very good year. I really wanted to see your scores and where you guys were out.
What is this?
Look, you cannot speak anymore. Don't talk. Now, keeping my own child quiet might be harder than keeping y'all quiet in the classroom. But I miss you all. Now listen, when I start math, when you pull up a video, you need to have the assignment that I have ready. Okay, today's no math book. We're not doing any of the math book this week. Next week we'll get back into the math book. This week we're going to do our place value. I gave you this tool right here to help you use it. I also gave you a video to watch, my math annex. Why are we doing this still? Because we still have not gotten a good grasp on the whole numbers and the decimal numbers, the fuzzes as I call it. So today we're just doing the whole numbers. Now I want you to imagine though that on this sheet, this number is 755,000, I'm trying to read upside down, 895. Now on this, I want you to remember where the invisible decimal is. On every whole number, there is an invisible decimal right at the very end of the number. So for all your numbers, if you need to, go and put an invisible decimal down there, just so we'll remember that whole numbers do have decimals. They've got to have decimals. We just don't need to see them because we've got whole numbers. We don't have any pieces or fractions to go with it. So remember that. This is why we're doing this. It's very important to get a grasp on it before we start doing fractions and things like that. Now, I've had questions on how to answer this, on what your answer should look like. So on number 1, it says what place is selected digit in. Now, if you're looking at number 1 on the very first page, it is 756,895. That 7 that has an arrow that is marked, that 7 is in your hundred thousands place. So what place is it? You should put on that top line, hundred thousands. Hundred thousands. Don't forget your thousands. Thousand with an S and then an apostrophe at the end because it's a plural possessive. So hundred thousands. Now what is the value of the selected digit? Okay, if you have 7 in your hundred thousands place, that means you have 700,000. So you should write on the second one, you should say 700, comma 000 for 700,000. So if you haven't finished this, go on and finish it, and then I'm going to pause it because I'm fixing to give out the answers. Now, I know, well, Miss Realm, you're not going to know if you cheat. I'm not going to know if you cheat. But if you don't know this, it's going to probably show that you didn't work as hard as you can, okay? We're having to trust you right now. Just going honest. This is not a grade. This is practice. So pause it right now if you haven't finished. If you finished, I'm going to read the answers out. Okay, so for number 2, the place is the thousands place. The value, if you have 9 thousands, you have 9,000. 9,000,000. Number 3, what place is it in? It's in the tens place. And if you have a 1 in the tens place, the second line, you're just going to write 10 for 10. Then number 4, the 4 is in the hundreds place. So the top line is hundreds. The next line is going to be 400. Number 5, your 2 is in the 10,000s place. So you should write 10,000s. And then the second digit is going to be 20,000. 20, comma 000. 4 zeros. Number 6 Your 3 is in the ones place. The ones place. It has 1, add an S with an apostrophe. Ones place. And the value of it is 3. Just 1 3. Number 7, your 8 is in your thousands place. You could just put thousands if you want. And then the value of it is 8,000. Number 8, your 3 is in the tens place. The value is 30. Number 9, your 2 is in the hundreds place. And the value is 200. Number 10, your 3 is in the 10,000s. That's what you write, 10,000s place. You don't have to write place, just put 10,000s. The value of it is 30,000. Okay, so I gave you the answers to page 1. Page 1. And I think that's all I'm going to do today. I don't want to overwhelm you. Do page 2. I'll give you the answers for that later. Do the best you can. Don't give your parents a hard time about working. Just get it done. And I love you, and I will see you soon, I hope. Bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Mary Hope said bye. Love y'all.